What up, what up? Welcome back. As you can clearly see, I'm back in the garage. Got a couple of things I'm gonna button up today. Hopefully I can get some things done. I can get that to-do list, which is like from here to here. I wanna get it down to like here. So anyway, I got some spark plugs we're gonna throw in. I got some new AN fittings. This is going to be for the transmission cooler lines. The ones that I'm currently using, they are a little bit too long for the tight area that it's in. It's like, it's a 90-degree bend too. So not only is the entire fitting too long, but the bend is too sharp and it's going to interfere with the transmission itself. So we're going to swap that out, and hopefully these straight ones are going to be a little bit better fit. Also, I'm going to be putting the computer back in. Once I get the spark plugs and the coil packs in, we're going to continue putting the wiring harness back in. See, I got an upper radiator hose. Just had to go universal. I had to find something that was going to be close, the same fit, and we're going to try to trim this up right about right here, maybe right here, and throw that on and see how it works. If not, we'll try again. You know, that old saying, if at first you don't succeed, try again. And that's just it with this car. You just keep trying until you find something that fits. Exhaust manifold on this side probably be going on depending on how much time I got. Hopefully that clears the steering shaft. And that's it for right now. So let's get to work. Cue the time lapse. Hey, I just wanted to interrupt real quick. Just wanted to say that at some point I realized that there was something wrong with the engine. As far as clearance, it was rubbing on the subframe. The oil pan was rubbing on the subframe. And what I found out was the aftermarket motor mounts that I bought for this, not really anything special, just like a factory replacement. The weight of the engine was squishing the rubber down so far, like an inch, and that was enough for the oil pan to rub on the subframe. So in the next clip, you'll see me with the Megan Racing hardened motor mounts. That's the reason why I have those. And as far as everything else goes, there is down there is the transmission cooler lines. I need one more AN fitting to finish that up, and then I'll start on the power steering. Power steering's over there. I'll start on power steering lines later. Still need to wire in the gas pedal. Still need to do radiator lines, upper. I got the lower pretty much figured out. I need to figure out a upper line, and then I can throw everything back in. You can't see down there, but I finally did get the exhaust manifold to clear the steering shaft, and I think that's about it. We got here Megan Racing motor mounts for the Lexus for the V8 swap. Nice little snapback. So this is Megan Racing stiffer motor mounts. I believe it is, well, they didn't tell me what material, but it just says hardened engine mount. This is for the 1UZ, 3UZ platform. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit the 2UZ, but 1s and 3s definitely. So hardened engine mount for factory locations. And like I said, I'll explain, or at least I'll show you, I'll drop a clip in somewhere along the lines of why you don't get cheap engine mounts. So all right, so that's the end of this progress update. Next episode should be me messing with the power steering system. Definitely going to get the power steering lines ran from the pump to the rack to a reservoir of some sort. I might throw a power steering cooler in there somewhere, and whatever little things I gotta get going so I can get this engine started and this project on its feet and moving forward. So thanks for watching. Take it easy. See you next time. Peace.